Okay, so let's see how we're supposed to put a spreadsheet assignment into Evernote. And so let me highlight that. So I'll make it a little bigger. So there we see our title of the assignment. It's Assignment 12, Unique and Count A. So we're going to copy that from the work plan. So that's in the mandatory section of our work plan. And we go over then to our Evernote notebook. So here we are in the Evernote notebook, and I'm going to just put that right there. So let's say I haven't even finished the assignment. Something you could do is just put that in and say that's what I'm going to put in there, and that'll get the note started. Now, there's a problem with sharing your spreadsheets, and so the best way to do this is to use the publish. So I'm going to show you that. So here I've worked on my spreadsheet with the quests, and I've figured out how to do the list of how many unique categories there are. There's my categories. There's the two different formulas I used. And so I'll go in. First thing I'll do is I'll say publish. So I'll go to File and I'll say Publish to Web. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to say publish it. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure I want to publish it. Okay, so then I copy that link. So I go over to my note and I'll just say link. Okay, and so something you want to get used to is saying Command K or Control K on a Windows machine and then paste in your link. You see, instead of saying copy or edit, it says pub HTML. So I say OK. And now I also want to paste in so people don't necessarily have to do that. So let's see what would happen if I pasted in some of my spreadsheet. So just paste in, say some of this. Now maybe I'll go over a little bit more. And I'll use the Shift arrow key to make it easier to select. These in, and I copy. I go back to my note. I'm going to paste that in and see how it comes out. So paste it in, and you can see, well, it didn't come out that great, right? So what I can do then is I'll undo this. I'll go back to the spreadsheet, and I'll go up here to see where it's got the borders. So I'll click on borders, and I'll say, let's put borders on all that. So I put borders on it, and I copy. I go back to it, and when I paste this time, it looks much nicer. Okay, so now I have a note. You notice here it says what it is. The note says which assignment it was. I have a nice link to it, and I also have something so I can look at it. I can go to the link as well as I need to. Okay, so when I press on the link, it brings up the spreadsheet. Okay, and there it is. Okay. That's what I want you to do for all your spreadsheets, including the ones that you've done in the past, so that I can make sure you've done them, turned them in.